Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk in 2016, with the goal of developing brain-computer interface (BCI) technologies. The key focus of Neuralink is to create a direct link between the human brain and external devices, enabling seamless communication between the two. Key benefits of Neuralink include: enhanced cognitive abilities. Neuralink aims to enhance human cognition by providing a direct interface for the brain to interact with computers, potentially improving memory, learning, and problem-solving. Medical applications. The technology has promising applications in treating neurological disorders and conditions, such as paralysis, by restoring lost or impaired neural functions. Communication enhancement. Neuralink could revolutionize communication by allowing direct, high-bandwidth interaction between individuals and computers, paving the way for advanced forms of communication. Neuroprosthetics. The development of advanced neuroprosthetics is a key focus, offering potential solutions for individuals with limb loss or other disabilities, providing them with more natural and intuitive control over prosthetic devices. Research advancements. Neuralink facilitates groundbreaking research in neuroscience, providing scientists with unprecedented access to real-time neural data, contributing to a better understanding of the brain. Mind-machine integration. The invention envisions a future where humans can seamlessly integrate with artificial intelligence, allowing for more efficient collaboration and problem-solving. Improved learning. Neuralink could potentially accelerate the learning process by directly interfacing with the brain, enabling rapid absorption of information and skills. Elevated gaming experience. The technology may revolutionize the gaming industry by creating immersive experiences that directly stimulate the brain's sensory and motor functions. Remote operation. Neuralink's development could enable remote control of devices, machinery, or even vehicles through direct neural commands, offering new possibilities for various industries. Ethical considerations. Neuralink raises important ethical questions regarding privacy, consent, and the potential for misuse, emphasizing the need for careful regulation and ethical guidelines in the development and deployment of such technology.